Thanks, Doreen. What I'd like to showcase today is the ability for Enterprise Alert to automatically send out notifications to respective parties when an event comes through from any third-party source. We'll also showcase how notifications can be sent out manually through the web portal as well as through the mobile device. So let's jump into it. What we're going to do today is simulate a train derailment, and we're going to do this from the REST API. Now, we have several event sources that we could set up within Enterprise Alert, anywhere from major ITSM solutions, but today we're going to showcase the REST API. Okay, so we have a train API here. Each API has its own private key, and the event parameters that come through from those are going to be seen in the actual notifications that are delivered, whether it be a text message, whether it be read through a voice call, things like that. So let's jump over here to the Alert Center. And right now, everything is fine. There's no events going on, but we're going to go ahead and trigger one of these through the REST API. I'm going to do this in the background and trigger one off. We'll see it populate here in the web app as well as on the mobile device. Oh, here it comes through. So now we have an urgent train alert. We can see this on the mobile app by going into the alert itself. We see all of the different parameters that have come through. This is an urgent maintenance alert. We're able to see all of the different information, the message that was read through this event. We also have a tier escalation set up on this. Taking a look at that, we'll go into the details of the web portal. And we see here we have 10 minutes to respond until it jumps to the next team. The destination is the derailment team. This is just a team of users that have been pulled into Enterprise Alert through Active Directory. Right now there's 2 people in the team. I'm the first one, and it's going to send me a text message. And if I do not respond, then it's going to send one over to Fabian. All of the event details can be seen through the web portal as well as through the mobile app. So let's jump over to the mobile app again. And I'm going to acknowledge this alert just by clicking on acknowledge, typing in an annotation. And now I've acknowledged the alert. The web portal is going to automatically update, and we see now that things have turned green, and the annotation that I put in on the phone shows up. So this is going to give you the transparency that you need for all team members to see who is handling an alert and what's going on with it. Okay. Next, we'll talk about how we can manually generate this same type of callout using the callout features within Enterprise Alert here. So if we go to the callout section, we'll see we have several pre-made templates. Now each one of these templates can be pre-configured to go to a specific destination team with a specific message. Let's take a look at the car derailment one. And we see here that this callout can be made via an incoming SMS. So if I send a text message to Enterprise Alert with code 987, it is going to trigger this callout. Now this callout is specifically set to notify stakeholders of a specific incident. Take a look at the alerting team. It's going to go to the derailment feed. Notification feeds can be made public or private, just depending on the business needs. This is going to be delivered via a voice call. And the message that will be read is similar to the one we triggered from the automatic event. But these messages can be tailored. You can put in ad hoc messages, target specific different teams as you see fit. So let's go ahead and trigger this call out. Here's where we can add in additional messages if we need to. Change the predetermined notification channel, but we'll leave it at the voice call right now. We'll click go. Pulling it up on the mobile phone. See there's a new alert coming through. One of the nice things about the web portal is it's going to show you who is being notified and who has received this alert, who has acknowledged it, and which ones failed. So this is going to allow you to see these are the people that were notified. Did they get it or did they not? See, these calls failed here, so we're going to go ahead and retry, which is just going to generate this call out again. Okay, so it's as simple as coming in, clicking on 2 different buttons, and then that will notify each one of the stakeholders again in case of critical alerts. In this case, we're going to go ahead and acknowledge this alert via one of the calls. And we see here, Doreen has received it, Fabian has received it, and both of them have listened to the alert. So this was a successful delivery. Thank you.